Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about writing research introduction using CARS model. CARS stands for creating a research space. Um, well, the CARS model, or create a research space, developed by John Swales in 1990, is a widely used framework for writing effective introductions in research articles. It helps you, as writers, position your research within the academic conversation by identifying what is already known, what is missing, and how your study contribute to filling the gap of the previous studies. The CARS model consists of three main moves, each with specific rhetorical steps. Let's take a look. Move 1 is called establishing a territory. This move introduces the general topic and shows that it is important, relevant, or interesting. And the typical steps that you can have is like claiming centrality. Okay, for example, a growing body of research has shown blah 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 blah, something like that. And the second one, you can also make general statement about the topic, like English is widely spoken around the world, blah 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 blah. Or you can also review previous research, like several studies have explored blah 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 blah. And the purpose of establishing territory is to show your readers that the research area is significant and well established. Let's turn to move 2, which is called establishing a niche. This move identifies a gap, a problem, or a limitation in the existing literature. The typical steps is like the first is indicating a gap in the literature. For examples, however, few studies have explored blah 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 blah. Or you can also question previous research, like it is not clear whether blah 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 blah. Or you can even continue a tradition. For example, building on earlier studies, blah, 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 blah. And the purpose of establishing needs is to justify the need for your study by showing that something is missing or unclear. Hence, you can actually provide uh, the information that you have novelty in your research, in your study. You can offer novelty, something new in your research. Okay, then you can participate to contribute the development of knowledge, yeah, and contribute to the body of existing knowledge. Let's go on to move 3, okay, which is called occupying the niche. This move introduces your research purpose and explains how it will fill the gap. And the typical steps that you can take is like outlining the purpose of the study. For examples, this study aims to explore blah 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 blah. Or you can also describe the research question or objectives. Or you can also explain the significance or value of the study or describe the structure of the paper. And the purpose of occupying the niche is to state clearly what your research will do and how it contributes to the field. Okay, so this is the summary uh, of writing introduction using CARS model, yeah, or creating a research space. So move 1 is called establishing research territory by showing that general research area is important, central and interesting, problematic or relevant in some way, or by introducing and reviewing items of previous research in the area. And a move 2 is called establishing a niche by indicating a gap in the previous research or by extending previous knowledge in some way. And the move 3 is occupying the niche. Uh, A, by outlining purposes or studying the nature of the present research. B, by listing research question or hypothesis. C, by announcing principles findings. D, by stating the value of the present research. Or E, by indicating the structure of your research. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give you example. This is the simplified example of how you can gather the three move, yeah, for writing your introductions. For example, you want to write about critical thinking, okay, in English uh, language teaching, for examples, yeah. Move one, okay, you can write critical thinking has become a key skill in academic writing and is especially important for EFL learners. So this is actually the grand idea, yeah, in move one. And in move two, your idea would be like this. However, little is known about how EFL students, EFL is English foreign language students perceive critical thinking when writing essays in non-native contexts. Or move three, the study explores EFL students' experiences with critical thinking in essay writing, focusing on their understanding, perception, and classroom practices. For you studying in the government study, I would like to give examples of how to write the introduction using CARS model. Let's say the title is Exploring the Implementation of E-Government Services in Yogyakarta, a qualitative study of stakeholder experiences. These three move, you have a structure um, to guide you. Okay, so that your introduction of your research will be systematic and will be focused. Okay, so you are going to be focused actually, yeah, really. Okay, in writing it, and of course it's issue in writing the introductions, right? I hope this is useful to help you writing your introduction. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.